You're watching The Beginner's Guide, powered by the Christmas Light Academy, the #1 employee training system for Christmas light businesses. Tired of wasting time training new hires? Now you don't have to. Give your team the tools they need to succeed without the headache. Click the link below to unlock a special offer available only here.
Now that we've covered track types and mounting options, let's take a look at the LED bulbs and diodes used in permanent trim lighting. Each lighting system consists of individually controlled LED bulbs, also called pucks or nodes. These bulbs provide bright, customizable lighting while remaining energy efficient and long-lasting. Most permanent trim lighting systems use RGB or RGBW LEDs. RGB LEDs produce red, green, and blue light, which can be combined to create millions of colors. RGBW LEDs include an additional white diode, allowing for a cleaner, more natural white light. Each bulb contains multiple diodes, which are the small electronic components that emit light. The number of diodes per bulb varies by brand, but most systems include at least 3 diodes per puck to ensure bright and even lighting. The bulbs are spaced a set distance apart, usually 6 to 9 inches on center, depending on the system. This spacing ensures a balanced look and smooth lighting effects along the trim of a building. All LEDs used in permanent trim lighting are low voltage, making them energy efficient and safe to operate. They are also weather resistant, built to withstand rain, snow, and extreme temperatures, ensuring long-lasting performance. Now that we've covered the basics of LED bulbs and diodes, let's move on to the next lesson, where we'll explore controllers, transformers, and power injection